What's up, y'all? So it's been just a second since I posted a video. Life, work is life. Life is work sometimes. I wanted to do a video so badly. My November BoxyCharm, I think got stolen because I live in an apartment complex and there's a mailroom. Sometimes it comes to my door, sometimes it goes to the mailroom. Never saw it. Got delivered. Never saw it. I've just been waiting to have something to film, and my Fab Fit Fun came in, and I was like, okay, this is a good way to kind of hopefully start getting back in the swing of posting or uploading a video. So I've got a couple other ideas, but I thought a good old unboxing is like my bread and butter, so it's a good way to go. I love doing these. I got to pick some of the items, so that's really cool. It's a really crappy day. It's raining. My weekend didn't go as planned, so here we are. All the reasons to film a video. Before we jump into this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps people find videos like these. They like unboxings. Let's jump into it. This is the Winter 2021 Fab Fit Fun box. All right, so this box is a bit smaller than typical Fab Fit Fun boxes. They're typically a bit like longer, I would say. Just real quick, Fab Fit Fun is a quarterly subscription service. It's like lifestyle, beauty, skincare, hair care, home, like depending on what you pick in there. You can customize. I think if you pay a little bit more, you can customize more, or you get like, you're able to customize sooner, so you're more likely to get things that you want. I don't pay extra. I pay my $50 every quarter. It ships to me always super late. I feel like everybody gets theirs before mine. I don't really hear about them as often, but I know that my sister-in-law gets hers, and she gets hers like at least a month or two before I do. So I think I'm just one of the late ones when they've shipped them. I don't know. You get a little magazine here. It typically tells you everything that could be in any of your boxes. And then it's just a cool little lifestyle magazine. There's usually a recipe or two in there. And then a coupon always for passing along Fab Fit Fun opportunity. So $15 off your first Fab Fit Fun box. I'll pop this in the description below if you so choose to use it. I enjoy getting a subscription service because it helps me find products that I wouldn't normally find just shopping at Target, Ulta, something like that. So it introduces me to new products, and it's a fraction of the cost if you add it all up. Oh, I might actually use this. This is a 14-day free trial for HBO Max. Sex and the City is back on HBO Max, and I'm already hearing spoilers, but I don't have HBO Max, so maybe I will use this. All right, so the first thing in here is this huge bottle of Tula Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. This is 6.7 ounces, obviously full size here. I wonder if they're going to tell me the prices in this little catalog. Okay, so they don't tell us prices in the catalog, which is fine. So that's really nice. Full size like that, something great to keep in the shower. I travel for work, so I'm all about like travel size stuff, but I also don't like having to move stuff from my shower to my travel bag and back and forth and whatnot. Or if I forget it in the shower and needed to take it with me. So this is perfect to just keep in the bag, have something else travel size, keep in your shower, have something else travel size. So I'm really excited about this. I think I've only tried one or two things from Tula, and they've always come from a subscription service. So I'm excited to try out this cleanser. So we have the WHEY Detox Shampoo. I've never tried WHEY shampoo. I have like their body oil, and I really love it. Actually, it's like rose body and hair oil or something like that. I'm not typically a detox shampoo type of person because sometimes it like overly cleanses my hair and it leaves it a little like lacking of moisture. But I will definitely try this. I guess it's definitely gonna. It says been on a dry shampoo binge, which who isn't these days? Time for a detox. This concentrated shampoo with apple cider vinegar will deeply cleanse away dirt, oil, and impurities. It also removes buildup from styling products or hard water deposits, leaves hair feeling refreshed and super clean. Here's your start. See you next week. Here's your fresh start. See you next week. That's cute. It's got this nice like little sheen on the bottle. I think this is like super. I love the shape of this bottle. Let's see what it smells like. I don't know. I always like to smell shampoos and stuff. I'm weird like that. Oh, that smells nice. It smells like their rose body oil. Perfect. All right, I'm excited about that. I wish there was a matching conditioner in here, but we, you know, gotta be thankful for what we get in the box. This is a Winky Lux Lip Oil. It looks like it's got some gold in there. In the Stars Lip Oil. Gotten Winky Lux in BoxyCharms before. Ooh, that's a chunky lip gloss. But yeah, it's got gold little flecks in it, or little stars. There's stars. I don't know if you can see the little stars in there, but it's super cute. Ooh, nice little, beautiful little applicator. And it smells like vanilla or like a sugar cookie. I don't have a mirror. Oh, now I got lipstick on it. Oh, it's an oil. I probably shouldn't put it over my, it's an oil. I shouldn't put it on my freaking lips when I have lipstick on, but we got some Glamnetic lashes in the, I almost said shade, but it's called Virgo. The Virgo lashes. So these are super pretty. Definitely look like they could be a little bit more glam, or I don't wear lashes on an everyday basis, so these might look a little dramatic. I love like the magnetic lash situation. I think that's just like such a great idea, and I almost wish that that has been something that's like come out previously. I picked this, so I was a little excited about it. This is a stainless steel electric wine opener from Mark and Graham. I'm guessing kind of like a kitchen company maybe, I'm not sure. A Williams-Sonoma brand, there you go. I don't really ever, oh, and it comes with batteries, so nice. That means you can use it right now. I have a twist off bottle right now that's open, so I need to finish that. Okay, I'm gonna put this together real quick. Haha. All right, so the bottom is the blade that you can take the top of the wine thing off with, maybe. No? How does this work? Where does this go? I'm confused. So the blade that you open the paper on the wine with just kind of like clicks in here. So it's kind of nice. There's blade. Did I put the batteries in wrong? Possible. Oh yes, of course, Megan. Of course you did. Oh shoot. Got a little light on it and everything. So that's down. Wait. That's so cool. Okay. Don't want to lose that. Okay, so the next thing is a Voesh, V-O-E-S-H. Mani Moments, Mani in a Box Duo with nail files. So like a little to go, on the go. What? Wait a minute. Get a salon ready mani at home. This mani includes perfect choice for girls' night in, bachelorette parties, blah, 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 blah. Nourishing ingredients, soothe and hydrate dry skin, leaving hardworking hands looking as good as new in 15 minutes or less. Okay, so this one is vitamin and this one is detox. So you have little manicure packs. So you have the massage butter, the cream, and the sugar scrub. That's so fun. And then a little mani. So maybe I'll use that later. I need my nails done so badly. We're a couple weeks out from Christmas now, so it is time to get mine done. I think I got them done the day before Thanksgiving, so it's time. So you just leave the cream mask on for 2 to 3 minutes. Or you scrub, mask, massage. Got it. I was reading them backwards because they were in the thing backwards. Okay. We have another Ouai product, and it's a scalp massager. So that's really cool. 2 Ouai products in the box. Let's see what this looks like. I don't have a scalp massager. And I don't know really what the point is of a scalp massager. I'm sure there's something will tell me. No? It's got a little thing you can hang it up in your shower. So it's got this little like handle here, probably for where your fingers need a scalp massager. Interesting. But it feels really nice. Last thing in the box is the Espa Exfoliating Body Polish. Revitalizing Body Exfoliator to smooth and refresh. Cool. I typically use like the tree hut scrubs. Go through a couple of those. So this smells like toothpaste. Probably like it's minty. Smells like straight up toothpaste. That's interesting. I wonder what like the consistency is here. Oh, it's like this amber, brown color. Interesting. Okay, I was expecting like the cap is like a white gray. I was definitely expecting like a white gray color. Ooh. So it's a bit oily, but definitely fun to use, especially in the winter time when you just feel dry, like all the moisture has been sucked out of your body, and like you just gotta lather yourself up in lotion. So great for that because it's gonna kind of rejuvenate and polish your skin a bit. So I'm excited about that. All right, guys, that is everything in the box. That was a really great box. Lots of great skincare, hair care. I got a wine opener, so that's good. So I would say I'm probably most excited about my wine opener. Oh, it's a 3-way tie between the wine opener, the Detox shampoo, and this big-ass cleanser right here. So I'm really super excited about all of these things, and we'll definitely be using all of them. Thank you guys so much for watching my Fab Fit Fun. If you have any questions about Fab Fit Fun or are interested in trying it, I'd love to give you my feedback. I've been doing Fab Fit Fun for maybe 2.5 years now. So I'm ready to go into 2022, get some more amazing boxes, and keep going with the subscription service because it's definitely one of my favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you leave. I hope you're happy, I hope you're well, and I hope you're having a good one. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.